Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the PowerPoint app and creating a new presentation. Choose a template or blank deck. Once done, set slide dimensions to 16, 9 for screens, or 4, 3 if needed. Make sure to import your images and notes into a single folder so you can insert them fast, and log in to one account to sync autosaves. This first step speeds the whole process, minimizes file hunting, and prevents mismatched sizes later when you transfer or present. You now focus on structure. Open Slide Master and set your font, color palette, and logo so every slide matches. Then add slides with clear hierarchy, one headline, 1 or 2 bullet points, plus a single supporting image to keep viewers focused. Use pinch to zoom and drag to position elements, turn on grid lines or snapta for consistent spacing. Once a slide looks good, duplicate it and swap content, which saves time and preserves layout consistency. As you work through, you finish by previewing the deck in Presenter View to check timings, transitions, and speaker notes. Rehearse aloud once or twice. Then export the file as PPTX for editing or PDF for stable sharing. Upload the final version to your cloud account and confirm the file size fits email or platform limits. If a video or audio won't play during presentation, reinsert a compressed copy or link to the cloud file. That fix usually resolves codec or size problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.